get k equals to, solve this, you get 2. That is the answer. Next, if AM equals to BL and BN not equal to CM, then the systems of the equations AX plus BY equals to C and LX plus MY equals to N has dash number of solutions. Now important part, if any two set of lines has to have a solution also, means forget one solution, two solution, a solution, then the coordinates of x should be equal to, means ratios of coordinates of x should be equal to ratios of coordinates of y and should be equal to the constants, right? That is the basic condition. So what we'll do is we'll first solve this. AM equals to BL, therefore A upon L equals to B upon N, M. Why have we done this? See here, you will see the lines A upon L, B upon M. When you take the ratios, you will get these. So look at the target. Okay, you have to get the ratios. So therefore what we are getting, A upon L equals to B upon M. Now A and L are what? This coefficient of x and coefficient of y. So coefficient of ratios of coefficient of x is equal to ratios of coefficient of y. Okay, that is satisfied. What did I say earlier? These two should be equal and also should be equal to constants. Now let's see for Bn not equal to Cm. So what happens? Bring m on this side and n on the other side. Therefore B upon m not equal to C upon n, right? Getting it? M here, n here, n this side. Okay. So what we have now? B upon m not equal to C upon n. So what was the condition discussed earlier? To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.